Hello and welcome to the Music Theory course, Part 1. I'm going to start talking about how the sound travels through the air. The air contains plenty of molecules, too many to count on your fingers. We know this, but I'm going to bring you an example. Follow me. Here is Dumbo and his friend Door. Door is totally expressionless in his face, because he's just waiting for Dumbo to say something interesting to him. And that is precisely what Dumbo has come up with, an interesting secret. So he has decided to whisper it, so that nobody else can hear it. He starts to whisper, his vocal cords vibrates, pushing the air in the same direction as the air flows up through his throat and out through the mouth. Because the air is an elastic media, the first layer of molecules will push against the second layer and bounce back, and the second pushes against the third layer and bounce back, and it will continue like this until the flow is losing power and fades out. Because Dumbo was whispering, the vibration couldn't make it far enough, so Door hasn't heard anything. But Door's stepmother has been standing in a doorway, eavesdropping, and heard everything before she, shocked, left in a quick manner.
Oh my god! Oh!
Dumbo didn't see that Door's stepmother stood there in the doorway, but Door did see it and was wondering why his stepmother was leaving in a hurry. What did she hear before leaving? Now that Dumbo knows that Door didn't hear, he decided to say it out loud instead. Same thing again, pushing the first layer of air molecules against the second, bouncing back, the second against the third, and so forth. But this time he's talking much louder, so that it will reach all the way to Door's eardrum, which also is an elastic media. So the last layer of air pushes against the eardrum, bounces back, and the eardrum bounces back too. This time, Door did hear what his stepmother had heard too, and was totally shocked and blushed, because that was not information suitable for his stepmother to hear. Now I have exchanged Door to a microphone. Let's say that we want to record a tone with it and have had it connected to a sound card. Then it will graphically be displayed in a time domain, in a graph that will look like this, where the vertical line shows the amplitude of the sound. This line can be split in half and put a 0 there. The amplitude of the sound is measured in decibel, abbreviated dB. The horizontal line will show the amplitude in time, so let's call this T for time. Now we're going to record a tone. When the membrane is compressed, a positive decibel is being registered. And when the membrane bounces back, a negative decibel is registered. And when the membrane is stabilized again, the registered amplitude will go back to 0. Now we can see that we have a perfect sine wave that goes up and down and back to 0. Let's say that this part of the wave took 1 second to record. Then that would mean that this is 1 Hertz, because 1 Hertz is 1 cycle up and down and back to 0 in 1 second. Now we have seen how the sound is traveling through the air. We have also seen how it is displayed graphically when being recorded. In our case, a 1 Hertz sine wave. I would like to say thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!